Hi, I am Riya Kumar Emanuel and today I am going to demonstrate a program on multi-threading. So the question given to me is write a program which takes as input a huge array of numbers. This array is split into n sub-arrays and n threads apply a bubble sort on each of the n sub-arrays. Lastly, another thread messages the n sorted sub-arrays into one with the same size as the original array. So the resulting array should be sorted as a result. Here we have to subdivide a huge array into smaller parts, and then we have to sort the elements of the array and then finally display the elements of the array in a sorted order. So firstly I have made a package multi-thread in which I have my class myThread which extends from thread. Here we have declared the array which is the bigger array, and then we have declared some integer type variables, and then we have the getter and setter functions in which we have initialized the variables. In the constructor we have again initialized some of the variables, and then we have the run method which is not defined, and then in the sort method we are using a for loop. We are using two for loops in which number of I, if num of I is greater than num of j, then int temp equal to num of I equal to num of j, and then num of j equal to temp. So basically here we are we will see this method will sort the elements of the array in an order. So here we are so we are doing all these methods just to get a sorted array. In the display method we are again using a for loop, and then we are displaying the elements in the array. And then we have a merge method in which first I'll show the class bubble sort which have the main method. So here we are firstly asking the user to enter the size of the array. So when the size of the array is entered, it is divided into 4 parts, A, B, C and D, and then it will display to enter the elements. Then we will enter the elements using a for loop, and then we are creating reference variable, or else we can say that we are calling the sub arrays that has been emerged from the bigger array. Here then we are giving t1 dot start, t2 dot start, t3 dot start and t4 dot start, and then t1 dot sort method, t2 dot sort, t3 dot sort and t4 dot sort. Firstly the start method will call the start function, and then here we are calling the sort method which will sort the sub arrays, and then here we will t1 dot merge t2, it will merge t1 and t2. Similarly t3 dot merge t4 will merge t3 and t4. Finally t1 dot merge t3 will merge t1 and t3, and here we'll display the sorted array. Now I'll run my program. So here I have left out the merge method. So here inside the merge method we are using a while statement in which if C is less than D and A is less than B, so inside which we are using an if statement, num of A is less than T of get num of C. So num1 of I equal to num1 of A, and A will be incremented. Else num1 of I equal to T dot get num C, and C will be incremented, and then outside this loop I will be incremented. While A is less than B, num1 of I equal to num1 of A, and A and I will be incremented. While C is less than D, then num1 of I equal to T dot get num C, and then C and I will be incremented. And then here we'll give num equal to num1, A equal to 0 and B equal to num dot length. So now I'll run my program. asking enter the size of the array. So we'll give 5 elements. Now we'll enter the 5 elements in an unsorted manner. So it's showing the sorted arrays 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6. Thanks for watching the video.